Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to fix the problem where Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs, the first thing you want to do is open Google Chrome and type google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look toward the bottom right corner where you'll see Settings and click on it. From there, click on Search Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Other Settings. Scroll down until you see the option that says Results in a new window. Make sure this option is turned off. Once you disable it, this alone should stop Chrome from opening search results in new tabs. If the issue is still not fixed after turning that option off, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and select Settings. On the left-hand side, scroll all the way down and click on About Chrome. Here, make sure that Google Chrome is fully up to date. If there's an update available, let it install completely. Once Chrome is fully updated, close the browser completely and then relaunch it again. After doing this, the issue with Chrome opening new tabs should be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.